we're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We're trying to understand how it all started to go wrong. But the sea is way too deep, yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the storm.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I thought I'd share with you a glam house tour. I've just redecorated for the new year, so I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. After Christmas was all over and packing up all my Christmas decor, I wanted to add a few new touches in my living room. To the left hand side, I have this whitewashed mirror on my wall. I picked this up from TK Maxx last year, and underneath that I have my white fluffy bench that is a purchase from Pillow Talk.
And you start to doubt, I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. 'Cause a man can only hold on for so long, and we should be proud. All that we can do is hope for miracles, or just let it go. But honey,
I absolutely love to do fresh new looks in my living room, but I always stick to a #1 rule. I always love to have crisp white in my home. It goes so perfectly with my dark walls. My walls are painted puppy by Dulux, and I absolutely love how it goes so perfectly with white furniture. In front of that, I have my Chaise Lounge. Now guys, I've mentioned before that this is actually a massage chair, but I love to style it in so many different ways. On my Chaise, I have this beautiful soft fake fur throw that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. It is so soft, guys, and it has the most delicate little pearls all over the throw.
coins about what's to come. It starts.
On my little nest of tables, I have this absolutely beautiful candle holder from TK Maxx. It is so sparkly and glam, guys, and underneath it I also have a sparkly glam tray.
But the sea is way too deep.
I'm a huge fan of Audrey Hepburn, and I absolutely love this bubblegum cushion cover that I picked up from eBay.
Together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather?
Over to the left hand side is our pool table. Now in the centre I've just added this fur runner from TK Maxx, as well as this gorgeous array of beautiful flowers, also from TK Maxx. Now guys, I get a lot of questions about my curtains. Now they're a recent purchase from eBay, and I'll leave a link to that store down below. These beautiful round crystal-like mirrors I picked up from a home store probably about 6 years ago, guys, but I have seen them recently in some of your stores like TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and you've been sharing them on Instagram, so I know they're still being made.
All that we can do is hope for miracles.
I was recently on a mini vacation between Christmas and New Year, and I got to visit quite a few home decor stores, and of course I had to visit TK Maxx. Now guys, I came across these most adorable canvases. I shared them on my Instagram. They were $59.95, marked down to just $19 each, and they were the starting point to my living room makeover. Here is a recent DIY perfume bottle that I made, and I'll leave a link to that video down below.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come.
On top of my fireplace mantle, I decorated with these beautiful white flowers. I also added this little tray to the centre, and I really love decorating with cloches at the moment, guys. And I added some black and white ribbon to each one.
But the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather?
Underneath my chandelier canvas, I have my beautiful tufted chair. It's from 1825 Interiors. I have a pink pom-pom throw from Adair's, as well as this beautiful pom-pom cushion from Spotlight. I love styling my coffee table in so many different ways, and I recently picked up this beautiful gold round tray from TK Maxx. I've added some beautiful flowers from TK Maxx, as well as this gorgeous round bling bowl.
Signs told us how.
My little Paris book is a gift from my sweet friend Betsy Ann. Now if you don't follow Betsy Ann, please go do so. I'll leave a link to her channel down below.
Feel the same, 'cause a man can only hold on for so long.
In front of my fireplace, I just have this little cane basket with a pink pom-pom throw and a Dalmatian print cushion cover that I got from Etsy.
Honey, we have to be
To my right, I have this little pink and gold stool that I picked up from Spotlight, and on top of it I have my DIY flower arrangement. I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like to see how I made this. Underneath my coffee table, I recently picked up this beautiful shimmer-like cowhide rug from Kmart. I absolutely love this as it has stunning gold flecks throughout the rug. I decorated my couch with cushions in pinks and blacks, and I love the little Dalmatian print one, which is from Etsy. In front of my coffee table, I have these two blush pink stools that were a purchase last year from Kmart Australia. To the right hand side, I have this cozy little corner, and I absolutely love styling it in so many different ways. Above my chair is my pink chandelier canvas, which was from TK Maxx last year. I have this little mirrored-like window, which is from Spotlight, and this beautiful pink lamp, which sits over my chair, and that's from Pillow Talk Australia. blush pink chair is from Early Set the Furniture, and the Prada cushion is from eBay. And to the right is my DIY bar cart. I recently uploaded a video on how I made this, and I'll leave that linked down below. Behind my couch I have a table, and I have these white lanterns, and inside I recently picked up these beautiful battery operated large candles. I also added some fairy lights, and I absolutely love how this looks at night. We then move into my dining room. This is how it looks most days, guys. I recently added these crocheted placemats from Spotlight, and in the centre I have a round tray, and I have a white vase with some white fake hydrangeas, as well as these little ginger jars that I recently spray painted pink and added the black and white ribbon. On the wall behind my table is my artwork from Pillow Talk Australia, as well as my DIY thrifted dresser. I also have a video on how I made this if you'd like to see that, and I'll leave that linked down below. We then head into my kitchen. My kitchen is the focal point of our home, and I love decorating it in so many different ways. I absolutely love my kitchen. I love the stools that I picked up last year from Kmart Australia. I feel that they go so perfectly in this room. And guys, I know you're gonna say, but Chelle, it's not bunny season yet, but I just couldn't help myself. I absolutely love this little bunny, and I styled him with my cake stand and some pretty flowers. As much as I love my blush pink, I also adore turquoise. I have a lot of turquoise decor popping up throughout my home.
Don't
To my right, I have my recent purchase of this super large jar that I picked up from TK Maxx. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to put in this, guys. I'd really like your help on this one. What do you think I should put in here? It is so large. I thought about biscuits. I thought about doing the Khloe Kardashian look, but I just think it might be a little bit too big. So if you could give me some ideas, I'd so appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed my Glam home tour. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Your heart